So welcome to Kelo TV, where I show you how to create app, how to create a game. So if you're new, you're welcome. Welcome to Kelo TV. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. So I have a video dropping about how to create a mobile transfer app. So once the video drop, make sure you watch the video how to create a mobile wallet app. Oh, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, nice to meet you. I just started streaming just now. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. How are you doing? Long time. Sometimes I actually been busy, so I don't actually used to be free. Just of recent, I always been busy. So thank you all for watching. Thank you so much. So some of my videos, like even before I started this live stream, I just edit my video. If I show you, you're going to see I'm still uploading from here. So that is my new tutorial video coming up. So all of my live stream, I have never did a live stream of mobile phone. So this is my first time trying this. So I hope you're good. Long time. How is everything going? I hope you can hear me clear. Thank you for coming in. So I just created a new video on how to create a mobile. Yeah, thank you, thank you. You know, on how to create a mobile wallet app. So if I can show you, can see this is how the app look like. I hope you can see it very clear. You can see you can see bills, you can see history of transactions, you can see the profile. Yeah, if I click, it's going to show you what kind of transaction you can do with the app. So you can buy airtime, you can recharge electricity, you can recharge TV subscription, you can recharge your internet data subscription. You can also recharge for pay for education. You can also pay for betting and so on. So you can see the interface of the design. So that's all about my video. Nice one, please. Like, subscribe. Yeah, thank you. So that is all about the. I started building it yesterday. Yeah, thank you. I was building it yesterday throughout, but in anything that has to do with coding or development, with coding, sometimes it's actually very stressful kind of. You need to you need to rest. You need to have a rest. Kind of, you need to let your brain think a lot. You need to relax. Sometimes you need to even sleep. While you're sleeping, you may come up with some big ideas, and before you know, you're going to build what you're trying to. To be a developer is not an easy task. Is a is an is a great is a big, oh, I call it, is a very hard job that you need time. Yes, you don't need to. Okay, Kelo, let me start my stream. Network is boring. Okay. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you coming in. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, thank you for watching. So, that is how to be a developer, you have to be serious about it. So, it's not a one-day job. So, you have to learn little by little before you go there. You have to gather a lot of experience before you can stand in the market. So that's how it works. So it's very difficult. So, but I'm not saying someone should lose hope. So welcome. Thank you. So that's all about the to build. So to build something, you have to so many things. I was going to create um, an AI agent chatting app. With that app, you'll be working as if you're working with someone. The way the app works is that you can talk to the app as if you're talking to your friend nearby or close to you, or your friend who you're working with. Just is an app. Once you install, any question you feel like asking, the AI talk to you as if the AI is a human being. The AI talk to you as if it's an agent guidance AI. Any question you have in your mind, just the way if two of you are talking, you can talk to the app the same way. You can talk to the app. You can ask the app anything you feel like asking. If you're even asking about, uh, I've eaten so food, but this is how I feel like the food is tasting. What do you think? What do you think it's wrong, or what do you think? What are those things that was added inside the food? The AI will explain it from beginning to the end, and the AI will also tell you if you have any question that you should. And if you ask the AI that I want to interact with you for like 30 minutes, are you ready? It will tell you yes. Go ahead. So nice app. I actually enjoy the app. I actually enjoy the app. I was asking the app about uh, YouTube channel. Why is it that is hard to get watch hours? The AI automatically understand, your question, and so that is how. So that is how this. I think let me check here. I think I should have the app project here. I I should be able to have the app project. Yes. No. To save. Okay. So let me see. I think Gemini voice conservation. Gemini love. Yes, I think it's here. So the project is here. Maybe the project is here. I, so you can see. Let me turn the screen to the. So here you can see this is the app I was talking about. You can see Gemini voice conservation app. You can see application that allow users to have a real-time voice conservation with Gemini. So hi, my name is Andrew. Oh, thank you. So, I always love to hear from you. What is your name? Okay. So, to help me, I want you to help me with some of my project, which I'm so tired of, and I still. What kind of project is it? Yes, it's an app. Do you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. You said you're working on a project and you're feeling tired. How can I help? Yes, I want you to help me to give me some guidance on how to continue with the project. So I'm trying to create a mobile wallet app that is for transfer, for money withdrawal, and for data purchase, that is for billings, and so on. That sounds like a great project. What aspects of the development are you finding most challenging right now? Are you looking for help with the coding, the design, or something else? You see, I'm talking to Gemini. So, yes, the project, can you help me to guide me how to also work with the API key into the project? Okay, I understand. So you'd like some guidance on how to integrate the design elements into the project. Where are you in the process right now? Do you have preliminary designs completed? Yes, it's completed, yes. Great. If you have the design assets ready, we can start by thinking about how to structure the user interface and how the user will navigate through the app when interacting with features like transferring money and purchasing data. Would you like to talk about that next? Yes, yes. Great. For the money transfer feature, you'll want a clear way for the user to input the amount and choose who to send it to. Are you planning on sending money to other users of the app or also external bank accounts? Thinking about these details will help inform the design. Yes, the user should be able to send to bank account, and all the features should be added into the design. All yes, exactly. You'll want to design the screens that users will go through to initiate and confirm a transfer. Thinking about the flow step by step will help make the design intuitive. We can also talk about how to design the part where they enter the recipient's information. Would you like to go over that now? Yes, yes. To collect the recipient's information, you'll likely need their phone number or maybe an email address if they are not an app user. You might also want space for a note if the user wants to include a message with the transfer. Are you thinking of handling app user and external recipient details differently in the design? Yes, all should be implemented because it's very important. That's right. Accounting for both scenarios is important for a flexible app. You might design two different fields for the recipient's information, one for phone number and one for external email, and have the user choose which to use. Would you like to explore how to visually represent that choice to the user? Yes, yes, of course. There are a few ways to design that choice. You could have two options, like buttons or tabs, that the user can tap on to switch between So also nice to have you all. Thank you for staying by. Thank you for what I did. So the Gemini also we have interacted a lot. So the Gemini understand everything. Life. So thank you for staying. So you can see this is Gemini, the agent talking to me, explaining things. So we're interacting. So let me go with this window. Yeah, thank you for joining. How are you doing? Danny, welcome. Where are you chatting from? Thank you for coming. Can you hear me? You're welcome. Anambra. Wow, that's nice. Are you part of, have you subscribed to my channel? I think. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Oh no, wow. No, thank you so much. You actually tried you know, by stopping by, you know. I create videos about how to create the game and have also website. So that's why I was asking if you are part of. So you can check me out. So my videos is all about how to create a game, how to create an app, how to create a website. Not only to create, but to show you how to monetize the app and the games. So that is how it works. How to monetize the app with AdMob, website with AdSense, complete guidance for free. Yeah, yeah, I'm into programming, yeah. So, but what I do is that not everyone should be should program, but I give guidance on how you can create your own app by yourself. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. So that's what Kelo TV is all about. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for. So, if you have any question, you can ask. Maybe something that you want to know about the game development and the app creation. I think I have one of the app which I created here. I was, showing some others people watching here. Is a web app for mobile transfer, just like Opay, just like Money Points. So that's how it is. So thank you, thank you. The name of the app not yet published yet because it's under production, but I do videos on how I created them. So yeah, the app name is it's Kelo Mobile Wallet. So but still under production. So I'm just guiding how to get started. I do a big project, but in the meantime, I take my time to do short videos on how someone can get started. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So, how is Anambra today? I'm also from Nigeria. I'm from Abuja. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you. Okay, let me check your videos. Okay, thank you so much. You can check it out. I think I have one of the video I dropped, but that video will be live by 12 p.m. So I put the video as a premiere video. So if you check, you're going to see it. You will not play it because it's after 12 o'clock. You can be able to play the video. So you check it out. Thank you so much. So thank you all for staying here. Thank you all for watching. And if you're still here, are you content creator? Let me also check you out. So okay, okay, two guys commented here. Is it Tuno and Kiran? So yeah, I saw somebody commented. Let me say thanks for this great content. Okay, thank you. Somebody commented here. Thank you for the great content. Another person here. Help step by step. Okay. So just 2 minutes ago. Let me check. Okay, so are you still here, Dan? Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, thank you. You're still here. Thank you so much. So I was asking if you are also a content creator, so that I will check you too and follow you. Wow, that's good. JS is a combination of, HTML, CSS, and JS. JS, that is a JavaScript. So you're good. That means you can also be part of, people coming into to learn one or two things. So that's good. That's good. I was asking if you're also content creator. Let me follow you up too. So anytime you're free, you can check. I have one of my website which I built of recent. If you check, you see the video, uh, YouTube thumbnail downloader. So that particular simple project was structured only with was structured and built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML works to structure the page of the site. What it means, uh, you can use HTML to build the the page of the site, including each section on the website, including the pages, including the footer section, you know, and while CSS, it structures the colors, the animations on the website, while CSS, JavaScript, that JS, it works. Yes, CSS is for styling. Very good. Yes, you understand. So there's no need. So that is yes. HTML for structuring the site, while CSS for the styling, while the JS, that is for the main where the work take place on the website. So if I show you my site here now, you're going to see. Okay, let me show you. So CSS, this particular site is to go to YouTube after the link has entered the my site here. So it compressed the URL of the YouTube to come up with the thumbnail that is there on the YouTube page. So what work to happen is the JS work. It's try to uh, thumbnails with the color and the white text color, and here you can see the color, but the structures comes up with HTML to give the pages You can see home page, about us page, and contact. So, and here you can see another. This is the this is what is called the error section. So all the structure sections comes through the HTML structuring, and here you can see the so simple page, and here you can see the about us page and also contact us page, and here you can see the footer, uh, copyrights all reserved by me. So I think you're good actually. Nice to meet you. That's good. That's good. You're good. You're good. Yeah. So that means you're on your way to. You're also learning. So you understand all these things, and that is the beginning. Before you can get to other languages as well. So that's good. So thank you. So with this, I also create apps. Yeah, but you are now a full stack developer. Yes, I have. Yeah, I am a full halfway because I do some of my projects myself, and I also do to others as well. So, and I have other things to handling. So that is how it is. So, but I wish to be full time, so that I will know that I'm just on one side. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. So, are you a student or? Yes, I have WhatsApp group. Check under any of the video. Check any description of any of my video. You just click and you'll be there. There's a lot of people out there. Yeah. Yes, I have. Oh, you're a student. Oh, that's good. That's a great one since as a student you have developed yourself to this extent. So actually, to be a web developer will be a great thing to you since you have gathered the knowledge already. So that's a good one. So check any of under any of the description of the video. And you join the group. A lot of guys are there. You can interact from the group. So any guidance you need, something that you don't understand, they guide everyone for free. And as I said, I always drop my shortcut for games and even the apps as well. So there's a lot of apps which I have created. If you check on the channel, you'll see them. So I've created a lot of app, and all of them who subscribe and join the WhatsApp group, I always make sure I drop the code so that they can also create the app or the game the same way I did. And not only for them to create but to monetize and let add more ads be showing on the app or the game so that they can earn money from the app or from what they are creating from my channel. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you to stay here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So welcome. So let me show you. I can show you this. So let me create. Let me create. Let me create a live score app. Let me create a live score app. So this is the app sorry, I need to show you. So this is the mobile app which I just created for mobile. I want to show you. This is mobile. This one. So which of the okay. I need to go to mobile wallet. This and this one. Okay. So you can see the app I was talking about. You can see, so the user can put in his email address, password, and you log in. Okay, so here you perform transactions. So let me log in and you're going to see it. Let me put my mobile number and let me put my password. I'm going to log in. Okay, 7 4 and okay, I'm going to put my email ID and my password to log in. So here you can see the interface of the app. You can see the hub. So, so this is the web hub. So, so this is how the web app look like for transactions. So here, let me build another one. Let me build a live score. I have the live score app. So in game or in app creation or web design, you can always create things in different ways. So you can create an app has different designs. So let me score football live score app. Score live score app. Football live score app. Create creative football live score app. In so, okay, so okay. space of space. So let's build it together. I don't understand why. So I'm still building, and so the five has the metadata and the key services and the header.ts and component link group.tsx and component matchcard.tsx and component loading spinner.tsx, component icon football icon, Kelo live score, and with the environment. So here you can see tomorrow. Okay, so just design the live score app. So let me check if I can get any free API key for the link so that I can integrate the design of the app with API key. I wanted to bring data and had all the football league of the world. Okay. No. So, oh, Vital, welcome. How are you? Welcome. Thank you for showing up. How are you doing? I just checked your channel just of recent, not more than 2 minutes. I was on your channel. So how are you doing? Finally, you've seen my face. Actually, as you said, most of the time my video I don't show face. So how are you doing? How it's been a while. I join you live. I join you on live stream. Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm good, and you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah, I just check you. I think I just opened a new tab on my system, so I just uh check you. Someone asked for Google Play console account. Yes, okay, yeah. Danny, you're still here. Thank you for staying long. You're actually doing well for me. So, the person is asking that he want to buy a new Google console account. So, if you have anyone who has and the person is not using it, so you can refer the person on the group so that him and the person that is looking for the console account can buy it. So people prepare to buy accounts which has been long than them buying it by themselves as new one by themselves. So Vital, how are you doing? Yes, so that is what the person is asking. And also, I think there is another message on the group where the person, I think he has an issue with his account. I always guide them, I teach them the real fact on how to go by doing all the app publishing. So I think the person maybe his app has an issue. So because the Google console dictates when there's an issue in your app and they can take your account down till you have to do the normal procedures before they can return it back. So, okay, so I'm also building something while I'm talking. Right, yeah, thank you. So that is it. So I were you live yesterday, right? Because throughout yesterday, I think I was busy building my hub. Were you on live stream yesterday? So I want it in real real data and have all the public features, public, public features. Yeah, someone is saying good day, everyone from the group. Okay, okay. Yeah, I was live from last night till this morning. was crazy because I got over 100 subscribers from that particular live stream and over. I was telling you the other time, you know, if you're talking, actually, people keep engaging than, when you're not talking because everybody wants to participate while you're discussing, while you're talking. So I don't know, were you on live or as in were you showing your face or the same normal way you do? So I want you to include that and all the football um, world and if there's need of if you're a kid and help to provide. Yeah, it's mind blowing. I was talking for some times, but later I left it to run and went to bed. Okay, you know when you're interacting, it's people still hope you're coming back. So somehow, so sometimes it's actually very good to interact because I see that sometimes if you take time, that's what I mean. If you're free and you actually spend long time talking, showing your face for like 4 hours, you'll be surprised how watch hours you will get and even subscribers. Because I notice sometimes if I join some other people's live stream and the person is there live on the screen and talking, sometimes you may get more than 100, 200 subscribers. So for me and you, that we can't talk too much, so it's a big problem. As I'm talking now, I have talked for about 45 minutes, and as it is, I'm tired actually. I've started feeling headache already, so I'm building an app. So while I'm building, I'm here chatting. So about features of the world. So you can see. So let me see how to read data. So let me show you. So you can see this is the app I'm creating. You can see that is football live score, and I put Kelo. That is my Kelo TV. I just put only Kelo live score. You can see it. So it's loading the results. You can see. So, so you can see. I try to position it where. So I don't want to show face, but definitely try talk more from the background. Yes, yes. Talking from the background is also nice. So not to show your face, but yes, while you're talking, people understand that the messages they are dropping, you're interacting with the message, so it makes them feel, uh, they are with you. Not that, like the other live stream, what happened, the way I stopped it, the other live stream that you ask question and you put it there, I see that the problem with that is that when the person comes in and he answered the question, after he answered, and he see no one said anything. So, they have no reason to hold on. So that's the problem. But if somebody is answering question and you are talking from the background and you are answering based on what they are commenting, that makes them to stay. So from here, talking about all the Saudi and yeah, it's well, yeah. So gradually we'll AIFF Super Cup India, and we have South America, and we have African Cup of Nations, we have South America. So okay, so that's it. So we have to know what to do. You're actually doing well. You're trying. You're actually doing well. So keep it up. Keep it up, and Vital. Why did you say so? How do you know? Only by my face, or only because of the face, or because of the voice? Which one? Yeah, by your face and voice. Okay. Yeah, usually there was one lady. There was a time I went to the bank. So from the bank, she normally do see me coming because then I was working in the company and I was in a position to always, go to bank, do some transactions. So the woman was like, oh, how she wish she would get a husband calm like me. But later on by herself, she said, no, though you people can be calm, you people can be stubborn sometimes, but though, depending when the person is approaching you guys, I was like, so by my voice, I'm calm, face calm. Okay, so thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. So, that's spending almost an hour now. Any moment from 11:30, I think I need to focus on building because I'm feeling headache already. I don't want to talk again. Mostly calm people are stubborn ones. What? Okay, so mostly calm people are the stubborn ones, but I hope yours is complete calm. Okay, amen. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. So sometimes we are stubborn, but I have friends that are calm and they are not stubborn. So though I agree with you, Sha. Sometimes, when someone is calm and you see that he's stubborn, sometimes there must be a reason why he have to add that stubbornness into his calmness. So I don't know if you agree with me. Sometimes you want like, oh, uh, everybody's taking me for granted because I'm calm. So let me also add kind of stubbornness when you come to me in calm, I'll be calm. But when you want to like, no, you want to show as if you're stubborn, I'll also like, no, this will not work with me. Kind of. So anyway, I see someone's calm and is trying to be rude or stubborn, I understand that kind of you know, because even me, the truth is that sometimes I don't take it. Only if you kind of want to show yourself because you see this is version of me and you want to take advantage. So you know, people should understand if someone is calm, you go with him. So kind of, I'm kind of someone who I can grow with any kind of person. You're rude, you're calm. The thing is that I don't care about your road, your calm. I always make sure I. So that is it. So I think calm people are very difficultive and deep in thinking. So that is where the stubbornness comes from. But I don't know that you can talk. So okay, you told me you said you can't talk as in you can talk on chat. Okay, yeah, I think I may accept this. I accept it. Yeah, actually, calm people are very deep in thinking. I think I will agree with you because it happened to me this way. If you do me something, I will kind of think deeply because calm people doesn't take action in just short period of time. It makes them to spend some time thinking about what you did to them. That is, I don't know for others because I have like 4 5 friends, which we are almost the same thing. So no one, because you make me angry, I should just be reactive in no time. No, I can be angry with you, but it makes me to think a lot. It makes me to think a lot. I'm also one of them. Oh my God, that's why you're opening up this way. That's why you're opening up this way because for you to come up with all these points, for you to come up with all these points, I'm sure you may have an encounter or such things. So I love my privacy and stay on my lane. That is why it's difficult for me to make friends. I study people a lot. Oh my God. I study people a lot too. To the extent, the way I study people, if if I'm just coming, maybe you're in your house or we just met on the road. For the fact that we have not seen, I'm just seeing you just now. Sometimes because of my study, I do know what is in somebody's mind. I do know what is in someone's mind. Like, if I just look at your face like this, we greeted, and I still look at you kind of. It's not that I'm going to look at the person in a rude way, kind of just observation, kind of trying to. Sometimes I meet people that are in trouble and they hide their troubles. And when I keep on asking and trying to figure out what is happening, sometimes you see the person will actually accept it that actually there was social things happening to him and that is why. And the person will end up asking, how did I know that something was wrong with him? So that means we are all so that means we can all study people a lot, as you said. Actually, I think a lot. I think a lot. Any action I take, I may have asked the disadvantage questions about it and the advantages about it before I take action. And mostly, I can say I'm slow in taking action because I want to make sure the action I'm taking goes, the way it should goes. So not it should go in the wrong direction. So I agree with you, Vital. I agree with you. You might think you are out smarting me, but at the end of the day, you realize that I am ahead of your thinking. Yes, that is the same thing. That is the same thing. That's the same thing with me. That's the same thing with me. I can do my thing. Uh, I may, I may just feel like let it go, even after I have, even after I have known that this is what you're for or what you're with me for, and I let it be because you know there's something that I used to tell people. You see, someone who I can see maybe your network or my network, I can see. Are you with me? I want to say something. I want you to hear this. So okay, so what I was saying, you know, thank you. So the people I feel scared of are people that are calm, people that doesn't show anything about them. But you see, when you come and you kind of, I know everything. I just look at you, you don't know anything. You see, someone who knows things a lot are those who are always calm, who doesn't show up, those people are the people that you should be scared of, or are people that you should know that always those people knows better than those who shows up that yes, kind of, oh, I'm educated, that kind of, oh, I'm better than every other person, kind of. So that is how I look at it. So I don't know if you agree with me. Just the same what you said, yes, that is what I when you think you are smarter than me, I'm going to be, I'm going to accept it. I will just let it be. Yes, you are smarter than me. And at the end of the day, you are not smarter than me. So that's it. Actually, it happened to me the same way. I will accept it that yes, you are smart. Only just accepting it for the, for the fact of accepting so that you will go with me. So there's no point me dragging with you that no, I'm smarter than you or this one or that one. And people that shows that they are smarter, they love people like us so that will always give them that opportunity or give them that guarantee they are smart. I don't know if you understand. So they love it when you're calm and they'll be looking at you. Yes, I once have them in while I was in school. So I don't talk, I don't do anything. The way I'm talking now, I never knew that I can talk the way I'm talking because before I used to shy 100%, 100% shy. I can't stand before you talking. You'll see that my body will be shaking only because what I know, I have it in my brain and that is it. So we had a teacher at that time. So the person was like, he noticed that I know what I'm doing, but to his surprise, I can't I can't raise hand up to talk. So he was like, why is it that some of you doesn't talk? We were like, must we talk? Like the teacher has to kind of, okay, I know what to do. You people are here out to learn. And every time I write something or I give exam or assignments or anything, and some of you that doesn't talk, I see they always score their thesis and everything. So that he want to be sure if we all knows what we are doing. That kind of people who show up too much actually don't know anything to me. They are dumb. Wait, okay, Vital, have used another account back again. Thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back. So you understand. So the teacher now, I was not alone. My type was not, as in I was not alone. My type, so we were like two or three or four in the class. So it was like I think I was seated almost in the front. So he now pointed me that I should stand. I was like, he asked me a question and I answered. He asked me a question and I answered. He pointed other people that he knows they don't talk. I can talk only when the teacher said, if you people cannot answer me, I'm I'm going to beat you all in the class. So that is where I will like raise my hand and my hand will be shaking like this because I don't want beating normally. I don't want. So that is when. So he will be like, oh, till I say I will beat you guys before some of you were what is happening. So from there, he has to discover some of us are kind of, we don't show up and doesn't mean we don't know anything. So kind of, I had to make up with that phone. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got it. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I have friends in the class, but when a teacher comes up, I don't talk. If I'm in the class, I don't talk, I don't make noise. You will just see me always on my desk, not talking to anyone. If you like to sit with me, make sure you don't disturb, you don't talk. Maybe you talk, during break time, fine. But that we're in a class and teacher is teaching and you're talking to me, So Vita, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Maybe if you're going to be live, I will also be joining you. I hardly answer questions in the class, even when I know the answer. I tell someone is to say. That's the same thing with me. I said I only answer question if the teacher said it's going to beat everybody, as in it's going to beat all of us. So, at that point, I try to like answer so that I'll not be beaten and every other person will be safe. That's the only way I tried. But normal question you ask, I just be looking at you. But the moment some teachers discover that this is how I am, they don't ask the question. He will point me. He will point me, call my name, Andrew, answer this question. And and I started feeling some courage kind of because when you point me, I stood up with confidence, knowing you asked me to, than I myself raising my hand like I want to answer. So it gives me confidence to like to talk the way I want to talk, as in I will be freely happy talking. So you would tell someone who doesn't, who is not, who talk too much, like someone who can. So I don't know, all this happened to many of us. So whether we have a presentation or go everything, but I point out people to leave. I assume they follow. And the fact about that is this. The fact about it is that you know your knowledge is your knowledge. What you know is what you know. So not because you want to show up, that's the only way. I don't know if you understand. So all these things is in your head, is in your brain. So all the other ones that want to show up, that one doesn't mean a lot. The one that means a lot is what is here. So you're right. I can even remember, I have some student that doesn't want to sit with anyone except me. They don't want to sit with anyone except me because they knows. So Vital, are you here or you're on call? Okay, okay. So that is it. So it's good. Let's do our part. So there's nothing about you trying to let everyone know who you are. So there's always time for all of that. So that is it. So like me, I was asking if you're going to be on live stream because as you can see me like this, since morning I've not eaten yet, and that is how my system works. So sometimes I'll just wake up in the morning, I will eat in the morning, and sometimes I don't eat though. If I have the food, or I have food here, but I've not eaten. So that is how I my system is. I do things based on how okay. So sometimes I do things based on how I feel like doing. If I don't want to do, I don't want to do. If I want to do, I want to do. So I want to end my live stream so that I will eat my food. If I eat, maybe by 3, I finish my food. Because I'll not finish it all. I'll eat half. Later, I finish it. So that's how. So if you're going to be on live stream, I will join you. I'm using my mobile phone to record this, so I'm going to switch to my system because if I'm using my system, chatting will be good for me. Then I need to use my. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you. I'll be live today, but I'm just confused on when. Though I'm sure I will be coming live in the night, but I don't know if I will come live before then. I also don't eat much. So everything about me and you the same thing. Yes. Last time I eat once. Wow. Me sometimes I can eat twice. In fact, depending on how my system needed it. If I feel like I don't need it, I don't need it. If I feel like I want to eat small, I'll eat small. So I don't have a specific timing for all of this. If I want to eat in the morning, I eat. If I feel like not eating in the afternoon, I'll just go. I always go by how the system wants it. Since morning, I eat fruit. Oh, mine, I think I only drink water. That's all. Only water. That's what I drink. Up to this moment, I need to eat. So I'm going to. So if you're coming, it's good. If you're not busy, you can do the same that live stream. that silent live stream. You can do the your silent live stream since you have two mobile phone and you put that your that question that you do put, and it's better than the moment you come on this live stream, that is what I notice. You'll be getting new people coming in, so you can set that silent live stream and you continue with what you're doing. You can mute your mic. That's if you doesn't even have time to chat. So because I'm going to end my own. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah. So bye till I see you. I wanted to say bye so that I know you have accepted I'm ending. Though I think it's three people watching, so the other people not talking. I think one should be done, maybe. So thank you all, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate all of you because since it's only three people watching, so thank you all. Thank you all. And yeah, thank you. And bye, everybody. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Bye.